from the land of the midnight sun. The Thompson gun for hire, fighting to be done. Well, the deal was made in Denmark on a dark and stormy day. So he set off for Biafra to join the bloody fray. Through 66 and 7, they fought the Congo Wars, with fingers on their triggers, knee deep in gore. For days and nights they battled the Bantu to their knees. Well, they crawled to earn their living and to help out the Congolese. Roland the Thompson gunner, Roland the Thompson gunner. Well, his comrades fought beside him, Van Noen and the rest. But of all the Thompson gunners, Roland, he was the best. So the CIA decided that they wanted Roland dead. Well, that son of a bitch, Van Noen, well, he blew off Roland's head. Roland, the headless Thompson gunner, time and time, always brave his son. They can still see his headless body stalking through the night in the muzzle blast of Roland's Thompson gun. In the muzzle blast of Roland's Thompson gun. Searched the continent for the man who had done him in, and he found him in Mombasa in a barroom drinking gin. Roland aimed his Thompson gun and he did not say a word, but he blew off Van Noen's body from here to Johannesburg. Roland the headless Thompson gunner, Roland the headless Thompson gunner, Roland the headless Thompson gunner, Roland the headless Thompson gunner. The eternal Thompson gunner, he's still wandering through the night. But now it's 10 years later, and he still keeps up the fight. In Ireland, in Lebanon, in Palestine and